Are you looking for a unique, fun, and affordable night out here in Central Florida? I'm here to invite you to the first ever permanent food truck park here in Central Florida, World Food Trucks. Just so you guys know, we are located at 5811 West Irlo Bronson Memorial Highway here in Kissimmee, Florida, right in front of Old Town and also Fun Spot. We got a few food trucks in the front, and we also got over 40 food trucks in the back side. We offer an array of authentic and traditional dishes. We also have a large variety of frappes, smoothies, and also shaved ice. We offer free ample parking spots. We're open 7 days a week, and we even have on-site security. I would like to personally invite you to the most family-friendly spot here in Central Florida. Hi!